Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This video is related to our class 12th board examination, as there is a lot of confusion is going on this issue, and students are also in a kind of dilemma that what is going to happen, what not, even including the parents also. So this is not something an official announcement, but this is something from the newspaper, that what newspaper is claiming. So those students who don't get actually regular newspaper, for them I'm updating them with this news over here, that what it says CBSE mulls, okay, S form here, and MULL, the actual word mull, okay. So the meaning of this term called mull, if I show you, okay, this term mull is to work out, okay, or to think about. So what the CBSE is doing, CBSE is thinking about exams, to 12th exams only for the major subject, okay. They are planning that they will conduct the exam for the major subject only. This is the claim by the Times of India. See what is the news is here. With the COVID-19 pandemic raging across the country, the CBSE has been mulling, okay, mulling various options of, they are thinking about the various options for class 12 board exams, including conducting it for the major subject, okay. What is the first thing they are thinking? That they will conduct only for the major subject, either in the usual format, it can be in the regular way, okay, or the school holding it for their own students. Means this can be exam conducted by the school itself. It means supposingly you are going to the A school, so your exam will be conducted in that particular A school. Or if I say, if a child is a student of supposingly St. Xavier's school, right, and so that child has to go and give the exam in that same school only. Now in a shorter format and duration, and there will be a short format of the exam and time will also be less. A high level meeting has been called on Sunday to discuss the various options for conducting the class 12 board and entrance examination. CBSE sources, however, said conducting exams in the present scenario does not seem feasible. Okay, while according to the CBSE, it is not feasible, right? Means it is not convenient. While there is a hashtag cancel the board exam, okay, became the top trend on the Twitter soon after the Sunday's meeting was announced. So there's a meeting announced on the Sunday, that is, okay. And announcing the meeting, the Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal said, and what Mr. Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal said here, the PM has desired that any decisions affecting the career of a student has to be taken with wide consultations. Means they need to think a lot before taking any step as far as the exams are concerned, with all the state governments and stakeholders, okay. Means they need to discuss with the stakeholder as well as the stakeholders. And who are the stakeholders? I told you previously also, those who are involved with the school. It can be students, parents, or any another organization. So Mr. Pokhriyal said on Sunday's meeting will be chaired by the Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and also attended by Union Minister Prakash Javadekar and Smriti Irani. All the state education ministers and secretaries, state education minister as well as secretaries, have been requested to attend this meeting and share their views with regard to the upcoming examination. This virtual meeting, and this meeting will be virtual, not physical meeting, okay, will be take place at 11:30 a.m. on Sunday, he said. A CBSE source said the board has been holding discussion on class 12 exam, which were postponed in April due to pandemic. However, since the situation is still far from normal, means things are still not normal, the board is thinking about various options, which include conducting the exam for the major subject as well as cancellation. However, no decisions have been reached yet, as the definition of major subject is tricky one. Now the question is that why they are not able to take the decision. The reason is very simple. They said that major subject, when they major subject, so what is the major subject, which subject they should include in the or they should call it as a major subject. So for example, for a student with one vocational subject in the 5 compulsory ones, that would be a major subject. A senior official, a senior CBSE official said a final call, okay, final decision would be taken in the first week of June. after reviewing the situation and based on the inputs from the Ministry of Education. Okay, so they will also take the input from the Ministry of Education, and then after there will be a final call will be made. Another option is to conduct the exam for the major subjects in a shorter format of 90 minutes. Okay, it will be a shorter format of 90 minutes with short answers, and the centers would be the home schools of the candidate. Means the candidate will sit in the same school where they go to study daily, said the officer. He said is in either situation the board would need 2 to 3 months to complete the process, and whichever method or methodology the board will follow, but at least they need the time of 2 to 3 months to complete the whole process. So this is something what the newspaper is claiming. So children, let's wait and watch that what the CBSE come up with soon, most probably by the first week of the June. Alright, as it is mentioned over here. So we'll wait and watch. Meanwhile, you keep studying, and my best wishes are there with all of you guys. Thank you very much and have a nice day.